Hey there, it is Dave Allred, owner and CEO of barpatrol.net. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how the app and online software works so you can see how awesome it is. It's going to save you a ton of time and thousands of dollars per month for only $3.30 a day. So I'm going to walk you through this. We're going to go through some online stuff. I'm going to show you how the app works, and then we'll run the reports. So this is an account that has already been set up. We can help you set up your account. We also have help videos. Anything we can do to make it easy on you, we're here for you. So when you set this up, you'll enter all your locations, so you can break down all of your products by location in your bar. You can look up where they are at any time. You'll set up your vendors, so you can do automatic ordering. This is one of our clients' favorite things, is it automatically orders for you. So you just run an order report and you can send it off by vendor. And then you'll need to set up your categories. These product types are preloaded on the online account. When you get here, you just need to set up subcategories for each of them. This is how we set up our subcategories: bottled beer, draft beer, for liquor, but you can make it as detailed as you want. You can see we have red wine, sparkling, and white wine, but you can do Merlot, Cabernet, Pinot Noir as detailed as you want. It's up to you. Anything that can be counted in your bar, we can set up. So we have all these product types here. We can do food. We just entered a few here to show you, but we can do anything. And if you want to add a new product type, you can do that too and add subcategories. So anything you can count, we can do it. All your products are on here. We show you how to upload all those quickly. We have a master product list with about 2,000 products on here, all the empty and full bottle weights on here. So by size, you can just copy paste this into a spreadsheet and upload them immediately. Same thing with recipes. We can copy paste a lot of information and upload it into a spreadsheet, and then you'll have all your recipes, and this mirrors your POS system. So all of your POS IDs are in here, and then we can run reports and see down to the ounce how accurately your bartenders are pouring. And you can go inside each of these and see how it's set up. You enter the recipes, 1 ounce of each of these. You can add ingredients, as many as you want. You can take ingredients away. It's all very cool and very accurate. So that's the setup really quick. I'm going to go into the app now, and then we'll come back and run reports and show you how that works. So this is your electronic clipboard. You no longer need a clipboard. All the information that you enter here will instantly sync to the online account. Any information you change in here will sync back to the app. It just goes back and forth, brother and sister. They work hand in hand. Super fast. So all of your products are on here. You can search for them by category, and they'll all be set up there. Or you can just go alphabetical and look for them. Or you can actually go up into the search bar and search for them here. You just type in the first few letters and they'll come up. There's all the Grey Gooses. You can get rid of that. You can type in Jack. They'll come in, and then you can select any of them and edit any of the information here at any time. Change the container size if you guys do. You can change any of the pricing. Super fast, super easy. We'll save that. All right, let's head back and go into inventories. This is what you're going to be using this thing most for. And here's a list of inventories. The invoices show up in green. You can enter all of your invoices as they come in. Keep track of all your inventories. It's all electronic. It's all in one place. Very cool. And once you do the first inventory, you're going to have to enter all of your products, the order that you want them in. We create a blueprint so everything appears in the exact same order every time, which makes it so much faster. And then all that information will sync online. So once you enter an inventory, you can see this one has 343 products. All you have to do is hit this little recurring inventory symbol, and everything is going to appear in the exact same order every time. We also have a Bluetooth scale, which is fast. It's accurate, a lot more accurate than point counting, although you can point count if you want. But this is a lot more accurate and it's fast. So I'm going to show you the Bluetooth scale really quick, how it works. I'm going to hit this little recurring inventory, enter, and then the inventory is going to start. There's Frangelico, and you can see that the amount just pops into the box. I'll put the next bottle on, and then we're just going to hit enter, and there's Seagram's VO, and the Bluetooth gets it right off the bat. You can see the amount just appears in the box. You can insert products in the order. So next week, when you take inventory, or next month, the new product will be in the blueprint, or you can remove Seagram's VO, and then the next time you do inventory, it won't pop up. So you can adjust your blueprint as you go here, which is really cool. At any time, you can edit product information in here as well, change it all, and then go right back, and you're right back into your inventory. You can switch products here. So all sorts of things you can do to adjust your blueprint here, and it just makes it so much easier to take inventory. So we're headed back here. That's the app. We do demos to show you how fast it is. You can go through there. Once you do that, all the information is on here. All your inventories show up, all your invoices, and total wholesale and retail amount all right here. All your vendors here too. So I'm going to go over reports really quick. This is where you can really see what's going on. You can do a stock on hand report at any time. Some people who don't have their ordering set up just like to see what they have on hand, and they can just text their vendor really quick. So you just select a date for a stock on hand. We'll select May 8th. And right here it breaks it down by category, and you can see your beginning. If anything was invoiced, you can see Corona was invoiced right here. 72 of them came in, and what your perpetual amount and your wholesale amount is. So you can do a stock on hand to see what you have on hand. There's your wholesale amount. They have 4,400 on hand right here. Next report, usage. Pick a beginning date and an ending date. You can do this by the week, by the month, by the quarter, by the year. You can see what's moving, what's just sitting in dead stock. You can see how much usage is running. Again, it breaks it down by category. Your beginning, how much was used by the bottle, by the ounce. It's all right there. Invoice report just shows you a list of your invoices. Really quick before I go over the best one, I'm going to go over purchase order. So you can run a purchase order. You take inventory, say on May 8th, run your order report. Once your PARs are set up, it'll tell you what to order here. So there's a couple here. It'll tell you suggested order 444. There's not much here. Let's see if we have another one that has more that we can order. So here's one, May 15th. They have a lot more to order. Anytime the number goes below your reorder point, it's going to tell you what to order, and it's going to tell you how much to order, and it's going to break it down by vendor. Now let's get to my favorite one, the variance report. This breaks it down so you can see exactly what your bartenders are pouring. All we do is upload your sales data immediately from your POS system, and we measure it against how much they poured. So we select the beginning and ending dates, we run the variance report, and you can see it breaks it down by category here. The POS sales, how much was rang in, how much was used, and then your loss at wholesale, your loss at retail, and then your variance report, which is the most important number in my opinion. So you can see down here 27.86%. That's the average bar we go into is that. It's really high. We like to get it down to about 5 or 6% if we can. Once we go into the results, we can really pinpoint what's going on here. It breaks it down by ounces rung in, ounces poured, how much you are short, and again the losses and the ideal pour cost percentage and how far it was off. Let's do an example here. Let's look at like Hendrick's. 17 were rang in. This bar pours 1.5 ounces, so they should have poured 25.5 ounces. They actually poured 34.49. They're off by 9 ounces, and then it shows how much you lost at wholesale and retail. They're overpouring 6 percentage points on pour cost, and then they overpoured by 35%, which is like a third, which means every third Hendrick's is free basically. So you can see how much detail you can break each product down by. You can go to the bartenders and say, why are we short here? You put it on them. This is not your fault. It's their fault for doing this, so don't feel bad about doing it. And you can see down here how much was lost at retail, $3,500 in a week. Loss at wholesale was $762. The actual money loss is usually somewhere in between there. And then again it has the variance right here. This also has the usage report on here, so you can check the usage. You don't have to go to this other one, and then it has all the POS data of everything rung in. So there's all your reports. That is a quick overview of how the system works. We hope you get it all set up, and then super fast, super easy, and for only 99 bucks a month. Are you kidding me? It is a deal, and it's going to save you a ton of money. I'm Dave from barpatrol.net. Take care.